Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you are everyone is well. In this tutorial, I gonna show to you MS Excel a hidden tips and tricks about conditional formatting. In this dataset, have to employee name, gender. Your task is when this gender, this range will be male, this employee name automatically will be Mr. And when this gender will be female, then this employee automatically will miss. How to do it? If you have very large data, you can do within few minutes. Okay, so let's start. In this purpose, where you apply this condition, select this range. I'll be apply this condition, this range. So select this range and then go to home menu and click the conditional formatting this tool. Go to the new rule, this option. Okay, you can see a dialog box, new formatting rule. Now click on the use a formula to determine which cells to format. This options and select this box and type equal, select this gender first reference. Now you can see this reference name with $sign. That means with absolute. Our condition need to row wise. Our condition need to every row wise. So here you can see your row also locked. So remove this rows $sign. Okay. Now again type equal, then quotation mark, double quotation, and when here male, M-A-L-E, male, and double quotation close, then what do you want? I want format this tool and then go to this format cells number tool and go to on the customs this option and type here double quotation Mr. space, then again double quotation and also type and sign. Okay, now hit OK button, then again OK. You can see the sense. Okay, now female part. Again, where we apply your condition, I will apply this range and select this range and go to home menu and click this conditional formatting this tool and new rule. So use a formula, select this box equal when this reference and only onto column lock, no row. So remove this low lock. Okay, then equal double quotation female and again double quotation, and our format is click this format tool and go to this number tool, custom, type here miss M-S space double quotation and add the rate. Okay, now read the OK button. Okay, you can see the change. If I change anything, any name, select this reference and type female. Okay, now you can see here Mr. Now when hit the enter button, you can see here. Dear viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.